Okay, so we have first arroz caldo. You can also come here. Come here so that we will save time. So for arroz caldo, we will have ginger. So ginger will be julienne cut. Or if you don't like to bite big ginger, you can do it. You can mince it. So you can do it like julienne or mince it. Okay. And then for the garlic, you will mince it for the garlic. So you will saute the ginger first, and then when it's like if it's changed the color, you can add the onion, saute the onion, and then the garlic, the white one, because the red one is for the pork belly. So this is cube or dice for the onion. So you saute the ginger, garlic, and onion, and then after that you put that chicken, and then stir it. The chicken, you will stir it, and then while you are stirring it, put there's a 2 batch of ground pepper here, and then the fish sauce. If you don't like fish sauce, use the oyster sauce, because some people they don't like fish sauce.
Too much fish sauce is gross.
Huh?
Too much fish sauce can be gross.
Yeah, but if you don't like, you have oyster sauce. And then after the chicken is cooked, you put the rice, and then stir the rice, saute the rice with the chicken, 1 minute or 2 minutes. So we will use the sweet rice. If you don't like the sweet rice, because it's very what's it called? This sticky. It's sticky. You can use jasmine, but it's not the same. You can use half cup of this and half cup of this if you don't like too much sweet
or
rice.
Or sushi rice, right? The regular cal roast.
Yeah, they said glutinous rice and sweet rice is the same. I check it in the Google because I can't find glutinous rice in ranch. So after that, we will put this one, chicken broth. So I made the chicken broth this morning. Because I don't know if the one in the box is salty or not. So I made this one, chicken broth. And then maybe, wait for the rice to be cooked. And then we will top it with ginger, and we will boil egg. Then cut the boiled egg into half, and then let's see your plating. And I will take a picture of your plating. That's the arroz caldo. Question for the arroz caldo. No? And then, also for the arroz caldo, I brought Filipino lemon, the calamansi. This is stronger than lemon, but it's tastier. And then for tokat baboy, it is tofu and pork. So we have pork belly. I boiled it already, because technically, you have to put it in overnight. After boiling. So I boiled it with anong tanglad? I forget the lemongrass. Lemongrass, peppercorn, and a little bit of salt. Yan. And then tofu. I have the tofu here. Here, sorry. Here. So tofu, we will cut it lengthwise, half, and then cut it vertically for 4 cuts. 4 cuts. You don't need to be perfect for your tofu, because it's shrunk a little bit. So no need to be perfect. And then the sauce for the tokat baboy is the vinegar, soy sauce. The measurement is here. The portion is here. And then sugar. If you don't like sweet sauce, use only 1 tablespoon, okay? And then red onion, diced or julienne, and garlic, julienne. If you want it means to be tastier, you can do that. And then as I mentioned, I already boiled the pork, and then you will fry this pork before you put in the sauce. And then I call my arroz caldo overload, because I brought a fish cake, you cut it into 2 or 3. And I also, if you eat, sorry, pig ear, you can fry the pig ear also. And the chicken liver, if you want to eat the chicken liver, okay? Sorry. You can
Exotic
try. That's why I put it there. Because I know some people doesn't like that. Okay, so, and the most exciting one is our dessert, the palitaw. We call it palitaw for glutinous rice flour. So the palitaw, I will show you later on, but how to do this one, the glutinous rice. So you will need a dough, like you will scoop, you put it in the water, and then make a dough, and then scoop 1 tablespoon. You can do more than 1 tablespoon, but it's too hard to cook. So you will form a ball, and then after you're forming a ball, you put it on your plate and then press it. It's like an oblong or any shape. Again, you don't need to be perfect for the shape, because we will put the grated coconut and the sugar and the roasted
Sesame.
So that's a Filipino dessert. Okay, question before we begin. Okay. Divide your beef into.
Sarah, do you want to be on our team? Should we try the stove this time?